carry out the zero adjustment, you're going to hold your finger over set. It goes into the program mode. Scroll down to maintenance. Password, default password is 0000. Scroll down to diagnostic service. Then scroll down to AutoZero. Select execute. Scroll down again, select execute. Hit set. It's carrying out the zero adjustment now. Now go back and choose set and shift to escape. Scroll down to results, set. And this shows you the zero correction value that it took to zero the meter. After this, set, shift, and continue until it backs all the way back to the normal flow indication. And you're finished.